price cuts seen next week. Ito yung article ng Philstar Global. So, maaari daw pong bumaba ang presyo ng petrolyo next week. Pero kung gaano kalaki, basahin natin, di ba? I-rollback in diesel prices may finally come next week. The first in over 3 months or since December 30, 2025. So, puro pagtaas daw nangyayari mula noong December 30 and ngayon may rollback. May medyo malaking rollback pero hindi siya ganun kalaki na babalik na sa normal prices, di ba? Kumaga pampagaan lang ng loob. After 5 rounds of double-digit hikes spurred by the Middle East crisis, diesel prices are estimated to drop by 2.5 to 3.5 peso per liter next week. And an industry source told the Star. So, sa diesel, maaari daw pong bumaba ng hanggang 3.5 peso per liter. Maaari pa lang naman. So, malalaman natin, parang Tuesday ata yung mga simula nung rollback, mga price change sa petrolyo. So, tingnan natin next week. The estimated movements in domestic prices were based on the first 3 days of trading in the Minoplat, Singapore, or MOPS. With 2 trading days remaining, fuel prices could still rise or fall. So, itong pagbabago ng presyo na ito ay maaari pa rin hindi final dahil may 2 days pa ng trading doon sa MOPS. So, ito ang sabi ng source ng Philstar Global. MOPS prices and premiums have softened due to the ceasefire deal in the Middle East. However, modest rebounds are seen based on yesterday's projections. So, ayun nga, kung nanonood kayo ng balita, nagkaroon ng kasunduan ang Iran at ang Israel/Amerika na magkaroon ng 2 week ceasefire para mabuksan lang saglit yung Strait of Hormuz. Pero parang, ewan ko kung tama tong balita na to, pero sinasabi na mukhang babawiin ng Iran ang ceasefire dahil may nakikitang pag-atake itong Israel sa Lebanon. So parang sinara uli yung Strait of Hormuz and mukhang ewan ko, bahala na sila dyan. Walang hiya si Trump eh. Diba? Ito, speaking of Trump, US President Donald Trump agreed to a 2-week conditional ceasefire with Iran that would reopen the Strait of Hormuz, a critical maritime choke point that typically carries about 20% of the world's energy supply. According to industry experts, the temporary truce is unlikely to ease domestic pump prices, which are expected to stay elevated amid extensive damage to energy infrastructure. Bakit 2 weeks lang? Ba't hindi na kayo tumigil? Di ba gusto niyo bumaba ang presyo ng petrolyo? Hindi niyo itigil yung gera. Siraulo tong mga to. Lalo si Donald Trump, hayop na yan. Since the war erupted in late February, kerosene and premium diesel prices have climbed to as high as 170 peso per liter, while gasoline is nearing the 120 per liter mark. Ayun, ang taas nga, kaya ang onti na lang ng bumabiyahe ngayon. Pahirapan na sa pamasahe, pahirapan pa sa gasolina, tapos yung mga presyo ng bilihin, mataas ang chance na tumaas dahil ang taas ng presyo ng gasolina. So, malalaman natin in the coming weeks yung mga ganyan. Pero sana, matigil na nga to. Gusto naman. Ano sabi ni Energy Secretary Sharon Garin, na sinabi sa lawmakers on Wednesday, I think the problem will stay longer than the war itself. If it ever goes back to 100 or below, it will take some time. We don't have visibility where this will go. Philippine National Police Chief General Jose Melencio Nartares Jr. has ordered a probe into a possible link between illegal fuel operations worth millions of pesos in San Pablo, Laguna, and Navotas. Nako po, meron pang mga nagnanakaw ng diesel. Di ba, nanon nyo yung news na may oil tanker na nakaparking lang sa isang parang subdivision? Nartares said yesterday the oil pilferage or paihi in Laguna may provide crucial leads on whether small-scale illegal activities related to petroleum products are tied to a wider network. Ito. Parang pral control na naman to. Diyos ko naman to. Sabi ni Nartares, we are currently cross-matching the profiles of the suspects arrested in Laguna with our database of previous Paihi operators in Navotas and nearby provinces. Sarap. Napatigahin na lang ako doon. 6 people were arrested for hoarding and illegal sale of fuel worth 3.51 million in a resort in Barangay San Antonio 1 in San Pablo on Wednesday morning. So may naaresto na mga kaibigan and mukhang malaki tong network na ito. Diba? Nartares identified the suspect as Martin de los Reyes, Enrico Castro, Rick Jason Pentinio, Marie de la Cruz, Jerry de la Cruz, and Jo Marie Villamor. Seized from them were an oil gas tanker which contained 500 liters of petroleum, containers, steel drums, and a pressure hose. Parang gagawa ng sariling fuel station to. Sabi uli ni Nartares, so far these are initial findings that the incident is localized, but our intelligence monitoring continues to determine if there is a wider network behind these operations. Mas malalaman na sa balita, dami pala yung mga oil companies dito. Yung taas ng presyo parang artificial, parang ganun. On Tuesday, 9 persons were caught while 65,000 liters of diesel valued at 9.75 million were seized at the Navotas Fishport Complex in Barangay North Bay Boulevard South. So sa Navotas, may nakitang 65,000 liters. Ang laki naman. Ano gagawin nila dyan? Bebenta ng mas mahal? Diba? Nartates o Nartares? Alam ko Nartares to. Palagi Nartates to. O Nartates pala, Nartares. Ako na Nartares. Nartates said they are targeting schemes wherein recycled fuel are being redistributed through informal channels for profit while the country is experiencing an energy crisis due to the armed conflict in the Middle East. He said investigators are checking if the two groups were getting recycled fuel from just one source. Tingnan nila kung isa lang yung pinagkukuha na nila nitong mga gasolina na ito. And sabi ni Nartates, if this is linked to organized oil pilferage groups, we will pursue them aggressively. So yon, mga magnanakaw. Ang dami na ring nagnanakaw, di ba? Merong isang parang truck ata na nanakawan ng diesel. Tinanggal nila dun sa ano tawag dun? Sa tangke nung truck. Parang kundi truck, sasakyan lang ha. Hinigop yung gasolina, ayun na yun. Diba sa sobrang mahal na nga rin ng gasolina, parang lahat na lang gagawin. Ayup na yan. Anyway, ano ba masasabi nyo sa maari daw pagbaba, pero di pa natin sure ng presyo ng gasolina next week? Comment down below.